movies financial data set is completed. We got all the values that we want. So what I can do, I can go to the home section. Here I can do the close and load. If you do press close and load, it will go directly to the Excel file and create the another Excel. Now, if you press the close and load to, okay, so it will go here and it will ask the few options here, table and the new worksheet. Okay, so I want that one. So I'm pressing okay. Okay, so this is the file that I worked there with the help of Power Query. Look at the file. I cleaned the data. I added all these quantities, USD, revenue USD, with the help of Power Query. So that's pretty much simple. Now, if you want to create the value, suppose we know uh, this is INR, right? Now I want the revenue INR. Suppose I want the total total revenue INR. So what I can do, tell me. I can go here equals to sum of what? Sum of click financial movies finance. So what is the name of table? Movies movies financial, where I have movies financial in bracket. I have the what? Uh, revenue in INR. If you press tab, it will complete the sentence. Close the square bracket and keep the bracket. You get this one, right? It is easy, but uh, there is one another features that you have in Excel that is called the pivot table. So we will going to look at little bit brief here. So for that, if you want to open that pivot table, click here and you can say edit. You go to the previous worksheet. If you right click here, there is load to options. Okay, now look at here. There is the pivot chat, pivot report, these things here, right? So you can go to the pivot table report and new worksheet. Now this is the pivot table, folks. Basically, it's easy. Don't confuse with this one. It's a basically a table that summarizes very orderly. Now I want, suppose I want the movie's name, right? So the movie's title is in column, not column, rows. The movie's title is rows. Now uh, I want a revenue in INR in values. Now look at here. I got pretty much clear. In 3 Idiot, it earns this much. It After it earns this much. Endgame, it earns this much. Now you want anything, right? Now you want to now what you want. So you have this industry here, right? You can press industry. Now you want the revenue by industry basis. So you go to the revenue INR, press the value. Now look at here. This is quite amazing, right? You can easily get the, because we are not creating anything. We just put in this pivot table option and we get the separate value. It's pretty much simple, folks. I will going to explain you this thing. It's like briefly I want to introduce you here. In the next video, I will going to explain you this thing in the so much brief, so you will easily get the idea. And after that, after few videos, I will going to create one project where you will going to use all those things combined, and that revise your concept perfectly, and you will grab these things, this kind of features easily, and you can implement by your own. Okay, so for this video, up to this much is enough, I guess. So, and another one thing, folks, if you are practicing, I will put the that data link, data set links in the description. You can download from there also. So thank you, Bob.